Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial, and now we are at the final part of the sub-series, and here we will learn the SiteMapResolve event. In the previous videos, we saw how to navigate the website using menu, tree view, which were tied to sitemap XML. We also saw how to use the breadcrumbs. We can use the SiteMapResolve event to track the user navigation via the sitemap navigation control. So that's the use of this specific event, SiteMapResolve. We can use the SiteMapResolve event to track user navigation. Right? So when you are using the sitemap navigation control, you can use this event to track the navigation. This event is an application-wide event. Well, because here you are tracking the navigation. That means the navigation is from page to page, right? That's why this event will not go to a specific control or page. Since its event involves navigating from page to page, the event is a site level event. In this video, we will explore the SiteMapResolve event and place a marker on the breadcrumb stating that user is currently staying at a specific page. Let's go to the demo. As already told, SiteMapResolve event is a application-wide event, right? So we need to add a global file. For that, let's choose add new item. Let's go to general. So here is global application class, and we will accept the default name global.asax. We'll add that, and the moment we add, you can see there are a lot of application-wide events, right? Application start, session start, application begin request. All those stuffs are here for us, and we will handle only what is required here. So during the application start, we are hooking the SiteMapResolve event, right, with the handler function, SiteMapResolve event handler, right? So SiteMapResolve is the event here, and you can see the marker shows it's an event, and the event we are tying that to the handler. This is a delegate, and to that we are passing a function, right? This function is not yet implemented, and the red quickly shows show potential fixes, or you can click this bulb icon as well. So let's generate the method global user navigating, right? Just click this, and you can see a method is added for us. So here we will change the title to show the user is currently in a specific link. If you see here, SiteMapResolve event args E. So this is the one we will use to know where the user is at present. And if you look at the code E, this is the SiteMapResolve event, right? E, provider is the control, and from there we are getting the current node. Current node tells where the user is. Say for example, we have home page, and home page contains about us, web admin, and products, right? So let's say user is clicking the about us, and this current node will give that about us node for us. So that's how here we are using e.provider.current node, and we are cloning that, and we have the copy, sitemap node copy, because this user navigating is that's the handler, right, for SiteMapResolve. The SiteMapResolve event expands sitemap node returned from that handler. So that's why here we are creating the copy, and we are just changing the title, so the current node's title. Suppose if a user clicked the about us page, to the title we are marking some arrows, right, just to show that user is currently here or user is viewing this page. For that we are adding this left and right arrows. So it's just a demonstration for how to use the SiteMapResolve event, and your requirement change. You can do a lot with this SiteMapResolve event. Here we are just changing the title to tell the currently viewing page in the breadcrumb. Alright, now let's save this. Since we change the title, you will see this arrow mark, and it happens in the breadcrumb. That's all. Now we will build once. Alright, and we will run it. So if you see, since we changed the title, it shows these arrow marks, right? Now if I go to product main, home page, and this is the current page, right? And the current page we are changing the title using the SiteMapResolve event, right? Current node we are getting, right? And to the current node, get the title, add these arrow marks, and we change the title. That's how the title is shown in the breadcrumb with arrow marks. Now let's visit traditional cooking, and you can see traditional cooking, and it shows the arrow mark stating that user is currently viewing this. Just now you saw the demo, and we are ending this sub-series. Thank you for watching. Bye.